Okay, so hey guys, welcome again to the new video. In this video we will make another 3D design in Fusion 360. So you can see here is our design. So we will make this design. Here you can see in the picture. So let's make this design. Here is a 2D drawing of this design. Let's make it. Firstly we will make these two circles. The one is 100 diameter and other is 44 diameter. First we will take a sketch on top plane. Now we will make a circle of 100 diameter. Okay, so the next circle, it will be at a distance of, wait, let's check the distance. Here the distance is 20 millimeter. Okay, the diameter of this circle is 44 millimeter. First we will make a construction line of 20 millimeter. Wait, now we will make circle on this. Thus diameter of the circle is 44. Okay, we will turn off the construction line. Okay, so here our second circle is ready. Okay, now we will make another construction line from here. This line will be up to 110 millimeter. Okay, so here the line is 110 millimeter. Firstly we will make this portion, then we will make this portion. So now make these two circles of 60 diameter and 30 diameter. At this point we will make these two circles, first 30 diameter and again we will make 60 diameter circle. Okay, so now we will connect these two lines with 4 tangent points. First we will connect these two, and now we will connect these two. We will make them tangent. Okay, so now we will make this inner portion. Okay, to make this inner portion we will take a offset distance. You can see this is 10 millimeter. So we will take offset, we will take the line and we will give it a distance of 10. Okay, we will take again offset. From here we will take a distance of 10. Okay, wait, this is wrong. We will take the offset distance in inward direction. It will be -10. Okay, now we will trim the unwanted part from here and from here. Okay, now we will take fillet. Wait, we will trim this part also. From this circle we will trim this unwanted part. First we will hide the dimension and constraints to clear our sketch. Okay, from this side we will trim this circle, this part also. Now we will give it trim. The trim radius is 5. Here you can see. So we will give fillet of 5 millimeter radius. Okay, so our fillet is ready. Now we will again make this circle so that our sketch will complete. Here is 60 diameter and here is 100 diameter. Okay, so this part is ready. Wait, here we should trim. Okay, our sketch is ready. Now we will go to this part. First we will make these small circles. In this circle we will make these small. Here you can see the number of circles are 7. So the circle will be at 30 BC, it means 30 backward direction. Okay, first we will make a line from here, construction line, so it will be at 30 distance. Okay, wait, I think it's wrong something at it. Okay, we will make this line 15 millimeter because 13 millimeter is diameter, the radius will be 15. Okay, now we will make circle on it. The circle diameter is 8, here you can see in drawing, so we will make 8 diameter circle. We will turn off the construction line. Here we have made. Okay, now we will go to the circular pattern and select this circle and select the center point as this, and the number of circle are 7. Okay, so here our 7 circles are ready. Now we will make the side portion. For the side portion, first we will make a construction line of, here you can see 127 millimeter, and the angle between these is 51 degree. First we will make line, select construction line, and the line will be 127. Okay, and the angle we will give, angle between these are 51. Okay, so our construction line is ready. Now we will make these 2 circles on last point. The first diameter is 21 and next is 50. We will make circles. We close the construction line, 21 diameter, and the next circle will be 50 diameter. Okay, now we will connect these from these 2 lines. Okay, let's connect it. Connect this from here and connect this from here. Now we will give them tangent. Okay, so here you can see this line are tangent now to the circle. Okay, now you can see here they crossed each other. So here in drawing you can see the radius, we will give it 12 radius. Okay, so here we will fillet them and give a radius distance of 12 millimeter. Okay, now we will make this interior part. So to this interior part, we can see here it is 10 millimeter, so we will again make a offset from here. Okay, wait, we will do it later. We will do this radius 10 later. First we will back our portion. Okay, here we are back. So now we will first offset this, and the offset distance will be 10. Okay, and from this side also we will offset this as -10. Okay, now we will trim these unwanted parts from here and from here. Okay, so this part is ready. Now we can give this a fillet radius of 10 millimeter. Okay, so now we will fillet the interior part. The interior part fillet radius is radius 5, as you can see here. Okay, we will fillet them. Firstly we will trim this part. Right, we will trim the outer part of this circle to give fillet. You can see here, if we give fillet, this will not select from here. Okay, let's check. Okay, this is selecting. Okay, so we don't need to trim that part. Okay, we will give fillet. The fillet distance is 5 millimeter. Okay, we will trim this from here and this from here. Okay, now we will again make these circles. This circle was 100 diameter and this circle was 50 diameter. From here this circle was 50 diameter. Okay, so our this part is also ready. You will make them tangent again. Yeah, I think it's tangent already. Okay, so our whole sketch is ready. Here you can see. Wait, our interior design is not ready. From here we will make these two sides. Okay, we can see here this radius is 40 and this radius is 25. The center point of this circle is this, and center point of 40 radius circle is this, as same as the 100 diameter circle. First we will make 25 radius circle from this point. Okay, first we will make 25 radius from this, 25 into 2 for diameter. Okay, now we will make another circle. Here you can see 40 diameter. Okay, this circle is of 40 diameter, 40 into 2. Okay, it's ready. Now we will make a line from here. You can see this distance is 10. We will make a 5 distance line from here. Okay, first we will make a line from here to here. Okay, now we will give a distance of 5 millimeter. Okay, now we will mirror this line about this construction line. Okay, so now we will trim again these unwanted parts to make them fillet. So here we will trim these parts. Okay, we trimmed these parts. Now we will give again a radius of 5 millimeter and the fillet point. Okay, we will give these two sides also and these two sides also. We will give it a distance of 5 millimeter. Okay, so now our complete sketch is ready. We will finish our sketch. Okay, so now it's time to extrude this sketch. We have completed this sketch. Okay, here you can see in the drawing, first we will extrude this bigger part. Here you can see it is 40 mm in this side and this side. Okay, first we will extrude these two parts. First we will extrude these two parts, and you can we will keep it downward, and here it is -40. Okay, now we will turn on sketch back. Now we will extrude this part. Here you can see it is, wait, here you can see it is 9 mm below and 22 extruded. Okay, so we will select this and extrude it in downward. We will give a offset distance of -9 mm and we will extrude it up to -22. Okay, so this part is also ready. Okay, so now we will extrude this interior part. Here you can see it is 4 mm below and 32 mm extruded. So we will select this part, keep it downward and give a offset distance from here. It will be -4 and the distance will be, wait, we will see in this 32. Okay, -32 because this is in downward. Wait, -32. Okay, so you can see our this part is ready. Now we will extrude these middle portions. Okay, so from here you can see in this side, here the distance is 10 mm, middle portion 10 mm extruded distance, and from here you can see this is 10 and 4. Okay, This is 10. Okay, first we will extrude this. We will keep it 10 mm downward, and from below it's also 10. We will keep it offset of 10 mm and give extrude distance of 20 mm. Okay, we will extrude these four portion. We will keep it downward. We will offset these as minus 10 mm, and we will extrude it up to minus 20 mm. Okay, so our this part is also ready. So now we have only left these two parts. Let's check how much it will be extruded. Keep it downward. Now you can see from here, so this extruded distance is 10 mm. Okay, so this distance is 10 and this is 5. Here we can see it is given 2. Okay, so we will extrude offset it 12 mm downward, and we will extrude it up to 10. Okay, so here we will go. Now we will give a offset distance of this as minus 12, and we will extrude it minus 10. Okay, we will turn off the sketch. Okay, so we have extruded this. Our complete 3D design is ready here. Now we will give some look to it. Okay, so here we will select A from keyboard. Now we will give it a chrome look. We will go to chrome, and now we will give it a chrome black look. Okay, so here you can see this figure is completed.